The universe holds a terrifying secret. They are out there, yet nowhere to be found. Enrico Fermi, a brilliant mind, posed a chilling question: where is everybody? Billions of stars, countless planets. The probability of life seems astronomically high. Yet, across the infinite cosmos, an unsettling silence echoes back. No signals. No visitors. Our Milky Way alone contains hundreds of billions of stars. Each a potential sun for another Earth. The sheer numbers suggest alien civilizations should be common, thriving throughout the galaxy. Is there a great filter? A cosmic hurdle that most life fails to overcome? Or maybe the jump from simple cells to complex, intelligent beings is almost impossible. A more terrifying possibility: advanced civilizations destroy themselves before achieving interstellar travel. Climate catastrophe, resource depletion, or unchecked technology could be the end. Are we being observed? Is Earth a cosmic zoo, deliberately uncontacted by higher civilizations? The distances between stars are immense. Perhaps they simply haven't reached us yet. Are we listening for the wrong kind of message? Their communication might be beyond our comprehension. What if alien life isn't carbon-based? We might not even recognize it. Advanced civilizations might build Dyson spheres, harnessing their stars' entire energy output for megastructures. Type 3 civilizations could control entire galaxies, their presence unmistakable. Yet, nothing. Or perhaps the universe is a dark forest. Any civilization announcing its presence risks destruction. Silence becomes a survival strategy, lest predators find and eliminate new life forms. For decades, SETI has scanned the heavens, listening intently for any whisper of intelligence. We send messages into the void, golden records, hoping to introduce ourselves. Would contact be a blessing or a curse? Humanity is deeply divided on the implications. The silence is deafening. It forces us to confront our profound cosmic loneliness. If we are truly alone, then our existence becomes infinitely more precious. New technologies might unlock hidden signals, revealing what we've missed all along. The Fermi Paradox remains one of humanity's most profound and unsettling questions. The answer could be terrifying, or it could ignite our greatest hopes. Until then, we gaze at the stars, pondering the cosmic silence. Where are they? The universe is vast, ancient, and statistically, should be teeming with life. Yet, silence. Our galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars, many with planets in habitable zones. This profound absence is the core of the Fermi Paradox. Where are all the aliens? One explanation suggests a great filter lies somewhere in the development of life. Perhaps the very origin of life, abiogenesis, is an exceedingly rare event. Or maybe complex, multicellular life requires a highly specific, stable planetary environment. The jump from simple to complex organisms could be another monumental, improbable hurdle. Intelligence itself, the capacity for abstract thought and technology, might be incredibly uncommon. Catastrophic natural events, like gamma-ray bursts or asteroid impacts, could regularly reset progress. What if the filter lies ahead of us? A point where civilizations inevitably self-destruct. Nuclear war, runaway climate change, or bioengineered plagues could be universal endgames. Advanced civilizations might exhaust their resources before achieving interstellar travel. The very act of achieving advanced technology could contain the seeds of its own destruction. Then there's the zoo hypothesis: perhaps we are deliberately uncontacted, a cosmic reserve. The dark forest theory suggests advanced civilizations remain silent to avoid predation. Their communication might be beyond our current understanding, using methods we can't detect. Or they've simply transcended physical forms, evolving into post-biological intelligences. Our search methods, while improving, might still be fundamentally inadequate for such a vast endeavor. New telescopes like JWST are now scrutinizing exoplanet atmospheres for biosignatures. We're finding exoplanets in the billions, dramatically expanding our potential targets. The goal: find another Earth, a world where life could have taken root and flourished. The search is daunting, spanning unimaginable distances and countless possibilities. What if, after all our searching, the silence means we are truly alone in this universe? It would imbue humanity with an immense, singular responsibility for the continuation of life. But the drive to explore, to question, and to understand will never cease. We will continue to look up, to listen, and to ponder our place in the cosmos. The Fermi Paradox remains, an enduring mystery that challenges our understanding of life itself. Perhaps advanced civilizations are aware of us, but choose not to interfere. Earth might be a cosmic wildlife preserve, untouched for scientific study. What if our entire reality is a sophisticated simulation, a grand cosmic illusion? In a simulated universe, there might be no physical aliens, only code. They might reside in computational heavens, far beyond our physical understanding. The universe could be a dangerous place, where silence is the only survival strategy. Revealing one's presence might invite destruction from a superior, hostile force. The absence of signals could be a deliberate, terrifying quiet. These explanations suggest aliens are here, but hidden, or beyond our current comprehension. What if the great filter lies ahead, a monumental challenge all civilizations must face? Nuclear annihilation, a stark reminder of our own capacity for self-destruction. Uncontrolled artificial intelligence could also pose an existential risk. Or perhaps a civilization fails to manage its planet's delicate ecosystems. Even natural cosmic catastrophes, like asteroid impacts, could be a filter. Are we searching for the wrong signals, listening for the wrong kind of life? Alien communication might be entirely different, beyond radio waves or light. Their civilizations might rise and fall on timescales we can barely perceive. Or perhaps life thrives in environments we deem uninhabitable, deep oceans or gas giants. What if the most profound answer is that we are, in fact, utterly alone? This would place immense responsibility on humanity as the universe's sole intelligence. A unique, precious spark of consciousness against an infinite, silent backdrop. Yet, the search continues, driven by an insatiable curiosity and persistent hope. Projects like Breakthrough Listen scan millions of stars, listening intently for any whisper. Humanity also dreams of interstellar travel, to bridge the vast cosmic distances ourselves. Discussions begin about protocols for contact, should that momentous day ever arrive. The Fermi Paradox compels us to look outward, but also deeply inward. Our future, whether alone or among others, is a journey we undertake with hopeful wonder. What if the great filter isn't behind us, but lies ominously ahead for all advanced civilizations? Many theorize that advanced species inevitably self-destruct through war, environmental collapse, or resource depletion. A created pathogen, a self-replicating nanobot swarm, or a cosmic accident could wipe out entire species. The very complexity required for advanced civilization might inherently carry the seeds of its own destruction. Perhaps advanced life transcends physical form, evolving beyond biological bodies and planetary constraints. Could they upload their consciousness into vast digital realities, creating universes of thought within supercomputers? They might inhabit virtual worlds, or convert their entire solar system into a massive computational substrate. For such beings, interstellar travel or communication with biological species might become utterly irrelevant. We could be surrounded by post-biological intelligences, invisible to our instruments and fundamentally different. Another chilling explanation is the dark forest hypothesis. The universe is a dangerous place. Any civilization that broadcasts its existence risks attracting hostile, expansionist species. Therefore, the safest strategy for long-term survival is to remain utterly silent and hidden. The silence we perceive isn't absence, but a desperate act of self-preservation from unseen threats. In this scenario, broadcasting our presence could be an existential mistake of cosmic proportions. Perhaps alien motivations are simply beyond our comprehension, driven by goals we cannot fathom. They might prioritize internal development, creating intricate art, philosophy, or microscopic universes. Their definition of progress might not involve colonizing planets or communicating with lesser species. Alien life could operate on timescales vastly different from ours, making detection incredibly challenging. We might be looking for cosmic empires, while they exist as subtle, interconnected networks or hyper-intelligent dust. Even if they exist and desire contact, the sheer scale of the universe presents formidable barriers. The distances are astronomical, making communication incredibly slow, perhaps spanning millennia. Deciphering alien languages, if we ever received a signal, would be an intellectual Everest. Humanity has only been actively listening for a cosmic instant, barely a whisper in the vast silence. Our current methods are like searching an infinite ocean with a small teacup, hoping for a whale. The Fermi Paradox, therefore, isn't one mystery, but a confluence of many profound possibilities. There are no easy answers, only a multitude of theories, each pushing the boundaries of our imagination. This paradox forces us to confront our unique place in the cosmos, whether alone or amidst unseen others. Are we a cosmic anomaly, the first intelligent life, or are we simply failing to perceive the signs? The search continues, driving our curiosity, pushing our technology, and forever shaping our understanding of existence.